Hello there and welcome to Finland with cold winters and beautiful summers. And welcome to the Easy Sculpting channel. On this channel, I will show you the things that I usually do in clay and ceramics. My passion is to work with stoneware clay. Many of my projects might look a little bit hard to do, but they are not that hard. That's why it's called the Easy Sculpting channel. The project might take a week or two, but just follow my steps and you can make them yourself. Sometimes I make things that are useful in the kitchen, and sometimes I just make things because it's fun to make them. I wish that I could inspire you to make something yourself. Many of my sculptures stands outside even in the Finnish winter. Bonsais and bonsai pots are also one of my passions, so some of my pots and how to make them will, of course, appear on this channel too. I love to hand build stuff with clay, and I don't use a wheel. Sometimes I make my own tools, like for instance carving tools, wooden tools, and all kinds of things to support your work as long as you work with it. Some projects are small and some a little bit bigger, and well, some of them are useful and some are just nice to have around. A Finnish snow lantern made of clay instead of snowballs is what this is. And one other passion is a mouse that I usually come back to every now and then. Many of my projects don't need that much extra, but if you use real clay, you also of course need a kiln. I love Finland and I love clay, and I hope that you enjoy my channel. Thank you so much for watching.